Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Today I'm going to be going over the Wiggy sleeping bag. Okay, so here's the bag with stuff sack. There's a surprising almost 5.5 ounces, 5.4. Now the website, you can't see that on the viewfinder. The website said it was 3.5 pounds. So, still. Okay, so here she is at 5 pounds. So it's a 20-degree, long and wide, because I'm tall and I'm fat. And let me tell you, getting this bag in here while it was with a sprain, because I still got the sprain going on, was quite painful, but I managed. So, I'll give you a good look at this sucker. So here's the bag. It's not a compression bag. It's just a bag with a flap here and a drawstring. So I think at some point I'm going to be switching out the bag to get one with a drawstring or with a compression that I can compress. So there she is. Alright, so here's the bag in all its glory. Like I said, this is a so extra large. Oh, so it's 4.25 pounds. When I put on the scale, it said 5.25. Interesting. So I guess the smaller one's way less. So the regular is 3.25 pounds. Extra large is 3.75 pounds. Regular wide bag is 3.75 pounds. Extra large, wide, 4.25 pounds. Okay, so I didn't look at the tag. It's still not bad for a bag. Alrighty, let's run over some stats. So first of all, made in America. So Lamilite, I think it's not sure about that. The filling, I mean. So a couple things I found really interesting. I didn't know this when I bought the bag, but this bag is machine washable, which is really nice. It comes with a card telling you how to do it. So low level wash or large wash load, turn the bag inside out, put it in the washer, or wash it on a gentle cycle. Just the fact that you can run it to the washing machine is really nice. So I'm actually quite pleased with that, so if your bag gets all funky, you can just throw it in the machine, which is, I have to say, it's pretty nice. Now there was, all Wiggy's bag may be stored in their compression stuff sack indefinitely, which I thought was really interesting too. So I could leave it in the bag. Unfortunately, the bag that it came with wasn't a compression bag, so I'm going to be switching it out with a C-line dry bag that's compression. And it's a little bit more roomy, and I could get it in there a little bit better and hopefully cinch it down. And then I don't think I'm going to store it in a bag. I'll just throw it up on the shelf. But the fact that it's machine washable is really nice. And I think this is my sales voucher. Yeah, so no information. So machine washable and indefinite storage inside the bag, which is really nice. But I think I said that already. So I'll give you a closer look at the inside. Okay, so I can't remember if I mentioned it or not, but the bag came with a stuff sack and it came with this pillow here. So, bonus, I don't have to buy an extra pillow. I don't know if I use this pillow much, maybe for car camping. But when I pack it around, I think I'm going to go with an inflatable one. So the bag unzips. I get the right zip bag. And it opens up. So I get a nice gray interior. It's got this part right here, which I guess helps with warmth. So once you zip it up, you'll be inside. I like the color. I notice the zippers hang up though, so that's something you gotta watch out for. I mean, it happens in almost all my bags, but so first impressions, it's pretty nice. I'm pretty happy with it. This bag with pillow and the sack was $130. So I think that was a pretty decent price. It's got yeah, Lamilite insulation. I heard, I was watching a video, A Girl in the Woods, and she said she didn't really like the head portion here, which I'll have to give that a shot. Like, I need to get out and do an overnighter with this sucker, but I was looking at the weather reports, the next 10 days it's going to rain, which is really kind of depressing. I mean, I could do it in the rain, but it'd be much more fun with some sunshine. So there's that. Alright, so I guess all I gotta do now is get out there and field test this sucker. Otherwise, without a field test, I can't give you accurate information. So, my next overnighter is definitely going to be with this bag, so get that out there. I was kind of tempted to crawl into it right here on the table, but we'll just have to wait. Alright, so this is a quick view showing you the bag. I just shot another. I'm actually going to be including this bag in my survival kit, which I'm going to show you next video. That way I can just show you the bag, that way I don't have to show you in the video and make them quick. Alright, so let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll catch you next one. Peace!